Welcome back to Hospitality Academy. If you're eager to explore the world without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing some budget-friendly travel hacks to help you stretch your dollars and make the most of your adventures. Let's dive right in. Hack 1. Flexible travel dates. Flights and accommodations are often cheaper during off-peak seasons or midweek. By adjusting your travel date slightly, you can save significant amounts on airfare and hotel costs. Hack 2. Travel off-season. Research the shoulder seasons or quieter months for your desired destination and take advantage of discounted rates and special promotions. Not only will you avoid crowds and long lines, but you'll also enjoy lower prices on accommodations, attractions, and activities. Hack 3. Pack light and smart. Traveling with just a carry-on bag not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also makes it easier to navigate airports and public transportation. Hack 4. Eat like a local. Skip the tourist traps and expensive restaurants and opt for authentic street food stalls, local markets, and family-owned eateries. Not only is local cuisine often more affordable, but it also provides an authentic taste of the destination's culture and flavors. And there you have it, some budget-friendly travel hacks to help you save money while exploring the world. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to read our blog for more information.